Hi everyone, let's do exercise question 3.8. On a two-lane road, car A is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. You can see here. So a car A is traveling with a speed of 36 km per hour. Two cars B and C approaches the car A in opposite directions. So car B is coming from left and the car C is coming in opposite direction. You see here the car C is coming here. At a certain instant, when the distance AB is equal to AC, that means distance between the white and green car is 1000 meter. Same way the distance between the white car and the red car is also 1000 meter. B decides to overtake A. Which one decide here? The B decides to overtake car A before C does. What minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid the accident? So let's discuss this question here now. So this is the car A and this is the car B and this is the car C. So we can write it as this is the speed of car A represented as VA, and here this speed is said as VB, and here the speed we can denote it as VC. So first of all, what is VA, VB and VC? VA is equal to 36 km per hour into 5 by 18. You will get the answer in meter per second. That is equal to 10 meter per second. What is VB? VB is equal to, VB as well as VC both are equal, right? What is VB here? VB is equal to 54 km per hour converted into meter per second. That is equal to 15 meter per second. So you can see here VA and VB are traveling in one direction. So you take it as both are in positive direction. So the car C is coming in opposite of that one. We can consider it as negative. So VC is equal to what? 54 into 5 by 18. That is equal to 15 itself. But we are taking about minus 15 meter per second. Now what is the question is talking about? What is the minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid the accident? So car C is also trying to overtake. So we can write it as what is the relative velocity of car C with respect to A? Relative velocity of car C with respect to A, we can write it as VC minus VA, the relative velocity formula. So what is the VC? We have taken it as minus 15 minus, what is the VA? We have taken it as VA is 10. So what is the final velocity, relative velocity, which is equal to minus 25 meter per second. That is the relative velocity of car C with respect to A. So how much time that requires to just cross A? So that means C is now crossing. Just imagine C is crossing the A. How much time is required? The time that C requires to just cross A is equal to how much distance is in between these two cars A and C? That is 1000. So time is equal to distance divided by velocity, or 1000 divided by what is the relative velocity of car with respect to A? That is 25 meter per second, which is equal to how much time we'll be getting here now? 40 seconds is the time. 40 seconds is the time. So within 40 seconds, what may happen to C can overtake the car A. Okay, the car C can overtake the car A. So before that, the B must overtake. Otherwise, what may happen to it may cause the accident. So in order to avoid the accident, right, B must overtake the car A in a time less than 40 seconds. The 40 seconds is required for car C to cross A. So the B requires less than 40 seconds. Otherwise, what may happen? They may collide. So what is the relative velocity of B with respect to A? what is the relative velocity of car B with respect to A? We can write here VB minus VA. So what is a VB here? We have already discussed that one. VB is what? 15 plus 15 minus VA is equal to what? 10. That is equal to relative velocity is equal to 5 meter per second. Now the car B has to accelerate. What acceleration minimum it should be in order to cross car A? So we can use the formula here. S is equal to ut plus half into at square. So the car B must cross the car A less than 40 seconds. So what is the minimum time required here? 40 seconds. Substitute here for S. S is the distance between car B and car A, that is equal to 1000 meter, which is equal to what is the speed of car B with respect to A, that is equal to 5 meter per second into time. The minimum time is about 40 seconds plus half into A into T. What is the T here? Once again 40 square. If you calculate this value, you will be getting acceleration is equal to what? 1 meter per second square. That means the car B has to accelerate with a minimum acceleration of 1 meter per second square to avoid an accident. So this is what the question is talking about. What is the minimum acceleration of car B is required to avoid an accident? I hope you understood this one. Thank you all of you.